the public that we have already identified, gathered evidence against the suspects in the murder of Marcelo Ong Didi Guzman, alias Oso. Marcelo Ong, alias Oso, was gunned down last August 2 of this year in Mahabang Parang, Angono, Rizal. So I have here with me some members of the Special Investigation Task Group, the Chief of Police of Angono, and our investigators to identify, gathered evidence against the suspect, and we would like to inform you that we have already filed a case in the Rizal Prosecutor's Office against the suspects. As a background there, after a thorough investigation being done by our SITG, we made a breakthrough when our investigators received an information that one of the suspects in the killing of Marcelo Ong, alias Oso, can be found in one of the detainees in Las Marinas, Cavite. He was one of the suspects in charge by Las Marinas Police for illegal possession of illegal drugs and the possession of and carnapping case for possession of car that belongs to Ernest Agbayani. Ernest Agbayani, if you remember, is a seaman who was reportedly missing in Antipolo, in Angono, and was found dead in Tagaytay City last August 18.
Yes.
So yung sinasakyan na, yung personal na Subaru ni Ernest Agbayani ay